So I used to do this, and as you develop more and more, you know, you won't have a need for this because you'll kind of just do it automatically in your head. But what I would do was when I had my title, I had my concept of my song, I would write down 5 to 8 strong ideas. 5 to 8 strong ideas, pictures of, like, say for instance, if the song was called Temptation, then you know, I'd make sure I drop a line about my friends. They do drugs and how I can't be around them because last time I almost hit the weed. And then on another temptation about how I walked out of church and I almost lit it up, but I had to think. And then about how, you know what I'm saying, all like real pictures, real concrete things that I can tie to this concept. And when I'm writing my song, I make sure that, you know, I can reach for one of those when I need to, and then, you know, have everything else fill out around the song. But should you come across a part where, man, I need to drive home the point of what I'm trying to say in the song, then you can reach for one of those strong pictures, one of those strong lines, you know, to help bolster what you're trying to do.